Morning everyone. Well, afternoon now. Almost 5 already. And hopefully today I won't have some bad footage. I know yesterday footage was a little rough. I got this new GoPro Hero 9 and I think I had some settings screwed up. So hopefully today's good. Hopefully the audio on this thing works quite a bit better. It's a bit windy out here and hopefully you can hear me fine. So anyway, we got packing. I got the trailer here. There we go. Got the trailer fixed up. New hub on there. Greased the other one. Check the other side. Just got to finish up over here, and well, we are finished up. Get her back on the ground. Should be good. Got the big load leveling hitch on. Hopefully that'll help this thing out when we get everything packed in there. So yeah, next up, get her loaded down. Hopefully tomorrow morning we can get on our way. A couple little things to do on the car, some tires to mount, load the tire machine. Like I said, the boys will be here to work on the Miatas, so I'll make sure everything's ready to go for them. All right, first thing on the list, gotta get this thing warmed up and get the oil changed. And I did just finish headlights. Oh yeah, lots of lights now. Super bright. Don't worry about that little guy. Chris, what you got going on over here, buddy?
I gotta remember how to take this damn thing apart. So we gotta get these detent balls out, right?
They kind of fall out, but you have to remove one fork at a time all the way.
Start this way and go that way, right?
I know I did it both ways.
This is the one that's got the hole in the side.
But this one can't come out. This one can come out. That one can come out right now. Right?
Yeah, we can.
Yep. Turn it, slide it out, and the balls will fall over there. Just go one at a time.
Yep. There's one.
So remember, there's divider balls, then there's detent balls and springs.
Yes. Hot dog balls. Right?
Yep. So, just got to modify, which one? This one.
Yeah.
Modify that fork. So we'll weld this little guy to the shaft so it can't rotate. Amanda got the differential fluid changed. Got some heavyweight shockproof in there. Kind of made a mess. Or I made a mess because I thought it would take more. It's held there now. I guess we can take the little weight off. It's not my best work, but it is work. Well, alright, I think we got everything in the trailer that we need for now. Ooh, about to the fun part?
Yeah.
The heavy hard part?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's roughly in.
Do I have a light around here?
Oh, now you need something. I know. Oh, that sounded good.
Yeah, I think so.
Gonna be murdered. Oh, haven't seen it on the ground yet. The interior.
He's done that a couple times, can you tell?
I'll take so. Like your glove?
After this, we can go get margaritas.
Ooh, margarita time? That would be sweet. This truck's doing a lot of work right now. Right there.
Perfect.
That's secure now.
All right, go get your car now.
All right, car.
Car.
Gotta get this thing back in its corner. Oh, it's gonna be perfect. And it's in. Counts. Dude, you are a little transmission building machine over here. I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah, we'll
Here.
see if I have any parts left over when I get done.
Well, there is that. Oh, chili.
You have to hold the camera.
Graham. I gotta get Graham content. Got her all wrapped up, huh?
Yeah, I just gotta really get a
Nice. Oh, for the drain?
for the drain.
None of the ones I had fit, right?
Oh no, I found a drain off the last box, so I figured I could just take that and just go find one for that.
Yeah, we have lots. There we go. Now we can load. Got the strapping lights on. Easy. All right. Already getting late. Getting tired. But we're ready to go. Alright, well, I'm sure this one ended up really short, but appreciate all of you that stopped in and watched anyway. We get on the road bright and early. Be there with everyone about 4 o'clock tomorrow. We'll see y'all tomorrow.